Okay, first grade, let's do phonics lesson 121. So if you'd like to get that worksheet out, we're going to practice our sounds. Lesson worksheet 121 for phonics. Okay, thank you for your quick obedience. Number 1, echo Write the letters beside number 1 that make the sound. That's right. U, comma, A. Remember, that's our schwa A, like banana. Okay? Number 2, echo A. Write the letters, including its final sound, for A. A, consonant, E, comma, A, final sound, A, Y. That's right. Number 3, echo O. O. Write the letters beside number 3 that make the O sound, including its final sound that girls wear in their hair. That girls wear in their hair. All right, that's enough. O, consonant E, comma, O, final sound, O, W. Number 4, echo. I'm not even going to say a sound. I'm just going to do a hum. Ready? Write the letters that make the shun sound. That's right. Sing it with me. T-I-O-N, shun, 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 shun. 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 Breathe on. T-I-O-N, shun, 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 shun. T-I-O-N, shun, 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 shun. All right. Thank you. Thank you for your help. And number 5, echo. Write the letters beside number 5 that make the ch sound. That's right. C-H, final sound, remember? T-C-H, comma, C-H. Remember? Short vowel gets a T-C-H. Short vowel gets a T-C-H, like our keyword picture patch. Remember? And CH gets everything else. All right. Number 6, echo U. Write the letters beside number 6 that make the U sound, including its final sound that is something rather sticky. Okay? U, consonant E, comma U, final sound U-E. Number 7, echo S. Write the letters, including 3 final sounds for the sound. Did you get that okay? 3 final sounds also. 2 letters make the sound and then 3 final sounds. That's right. S, comma, C, final sound. That's right. Floss rule. Short vowel gets an SS. Long vowel gets a CE. And SE gets everything else. Short vowel, long vowel, everything else. Okay? And number, what are we on? 8. Number 8, echo aw. Aw. Write the letters. 2 digraphs. One we use at the beginning or middle, and one is our final sound for aw. That's right. Aw, like faucet. Final sound A-W, like straw. Number 9, echo Write the most frequently used combination for the sound. That's right. Combination ER. And number 10, echo or. Or. Right, the combination that makes the or sound. Okay, that's right, O-R. Now let's practice some spelling words. For number 11 and 12, we're going to spell. On number 11, spell the word ever. Ever. Will we ever get to see each other again? Okay, ever, that's right. E-V-E-R, ever. And number 12, every. Every is a sight word, but we actually just added one thing to the spelling of ever for every. We kind of say every. But he is every. Every or every. All right, pencils down to listen. You might have noticed at the top of our page, we are going to talk about what? It was our last combination. Our last combination, some of you probably thought we've already done this, but we haven't yet. It's combination WH, okay? So echo these words and listen for the sound in the initial position. Echo wheat, echo Y, echo when. What sound did you hear at the beginning of all those words? That's right, qua. And what do you see that might be making the qua sound? That's right, WH. Is that what you would expect? Remember that a combination is two letters coming together to make an unexpected sound. Now I'm going to do a little soliloquy, a little speech about WH. The lesson teaches that when you say this sound, that we hear the H first. Do we say wheat, wheat, or do we just say wheat? And I think it might have a little bit to do with where you live in the country or in the world as to how we pronounce the WH. Now, in our phonics, we put him as a combination, maybe because we just think he should sound like a W. The lesson actually teaches, which I think is a little interesting. I'm not going to call it right or wrong. I don't hear it myself. Maybe you hear it and you can help me hear it. But the lesson is telling us that we hear the H sound before the W. So we're like, wheat. Why did you do that? When are you going to come? But personally, I don't hear it so much. But maybe they say that in a different part of the country or a different part of the world, and we just do it different in Texas because, you know, we do it the Texas way. So he is a combination because he is two letters coming together to make an unexpected sound. But their explanation, we're going to leave him like this. We're going to underline it. Excuse me, he's not underlined. He's not a different. Well, he's a combination. He's going to get the arc, Mrs. Wilson. So pay attention to your lesson. All right, that's all I have to say about that. We're going to code him accordingly. He gets the arc. He gets the arc, and he gets the arc. His unexpected sound is that you would think they say the H first. That's what the lesson is teaching. I'm not so much agreeing with it, but I'm just telling you what it says. They're saying you actually pronounce it backwards, but not for me. But first grade, what do you think? Maybe you and mom can talk about that a little bit. I think it's very interesting. So we are going to code him with the arcs. And maybe your mom and dad know somebody who might say it kind of with the H sound first. Or maybe you can try a whole list of the words and see what you think. But this is what we're going to do, and this is what we're going to code. Do these words need any other coding? Yes, digraph EA is an underline, cross it out, macron, because it's saying wheat. Well, here he needs to get all dressed up because he's saying I, Y, and vowel followed by consonant, short sound when? Right now. Okay, now the keyword picture, of course, is an animal that lives its entire life in the ocean. It lives among the fish, but it's not a fish itself. It is a mammal, that's right. It can survive in incredibly cold water because its thick layer of blubber keeps it warm. 1, 2, 3, what do you think it is? That's right, a whale or a whale. Whale, that's right. So every time we see that picture, it's going to remind us of combination WH. So on number 13, echo wh, quill, quill. We are going to, of course, write WH. Combination WH. All right, let's practice spelling. Everybody scoot to number 14. For number 14, spell the word when. Okay, that's right. W-H-E-N. When you talk to mom about this later, why don't you practice putting the H first and see if you agree or disagree. Number 15, the word white. White is a color you can mix with other colors to make lots of other colors. That's right. W-H-I-T-E with a sneaky E. I. And number 16, Y. Y is W-H, a combination. Why? Why? That's right, W-H-Y. If you're paying attention, it was just on the board. All right, let's do some coding. For number 17, I see 2 syllables. I don't see a I don't see a suffix, but I do see a final stable syllable. Cross it out. Arc for the combination, vowel followed by a consonant, short sound, accent on the first syllable. Now, if I read this, let's read it. Whistle. Whistle? Is that how we pronounce that word? No. So we're actually going to go back into that bracket and cross out the T because we don't hear it either. We say whistle. Whistle. Okay, a little bit tricky, but it does happen. If you're not sure, you pronounce it the first way, whistle. That's not right. Whistle. We'll cross out the T because we don't hear it. Now, if you'd like to pause and code the page and come back and double check with me, that would be great, unless you're working on with me. Here we go. Combination, WH. Then we've got a vowel, but no. Sneaky E. Hey! Number 18, whale. That's right. Number 19 is a compound word. So I'll divide it, code each side separately. Combination WH, digraph EE, underline, cross it out, macron. Okay, so we've done the first word. Now let's take a look at the second word. Digraph CH. Now here, sometimes the kids get tricked because they're like, oh, there's IR, like bird. But is the word wheelchair, or wheelchair? It's digraph AI, like rain, with a touch of bossy R. Wheelchair, wheelchair. And that's a picture of a wheelchair, so I'll draw a line to it. Okay? Number 20. Combination WH, digraph EA. This time he's saying E, underline, cross it out, macron. And that picture is wheat. It's not a picture, it's a word. If you're paying attention, it was just on the board. And number 21 is a compound word, so we can divide it, code each side separately. Combination IWH and combination IR. There's our combination IR, saying like bird, and digraph OO. Accent on the first syllable. So what's that word? Whirlpool. Whirlpool. Okay, let's keep going. 22. I've got a vowel followed by a consonant, making it short sound. All right, here's my trigraph DGE. Underline, I do not hear you, I do not hear you, and I'm going to dress you up. What's that word? Dodge, 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 like you might play dodgeball. Number 23 has two syllables. I don't see a suffix, but I do see a final stable syllable. Cross it out. All right, remember, once it's in the bracket, it's gone. Let's look at the first syllable. That's a vowel that's open, accent, coded with a macron. So what does that say? Title. Title. You know, like the title of the story. Number 24 is a compound word. So I'm going to divide it, code each side separately. Digraph UE, underline, cross it out, macron. Also the keyword picture for that digraph. And on this side, I've got a vowel followed by a consonant, making it short sound. With a digraph CK, underline, cross out the C, let the K do the work. What's that? Oh, accent on the first syllable. What's that word? Glue stick. Glue stick, and that's a picture of a glue stick, so you can draw a line to it. Number 25, I see that ing floating out there. Let's decide. Is this a word by itself? Yes, so box that suffix. Now that's digraph IE. If it's in the middle, it's probably saying E. So I'm going to macron, cross you out. Accent on the root word. So what's that saying? Yield, yielding. And remember, if you're driving or walking, you're yielding to let someone else go. Number 26, I see that Y floating out there. Is this a word by itself? Yes, so box that suffix. Now let's code the root word. Vowel followed by a consonant, short sound. You could cross out the second twin with an accent on the first, or the root word, excuse me. What's the word? Glossy. Glossy. A glossy means shiny. All right, first grade. That was lesson 121 with the combination WH that you guys can talk about, deciding if you agree or disagree with. We say, they're saying that we say the H sound first. So maybe they're saying we say it backwards. What do you think? You can stop and discuss. Thanks, first grade. Bye-bye.